Imagine building a professional website in less time than it takes to make coffee. Just picture it. You wake up, pour yourself a cup, and by the time you take your first sip, your online presence is already live and ready for the world to see. No coding, no expensive designers, no tech headaches. You don't need to spend weeks learning complicated software or thousands of dollars hiring experts. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, designed to be simple and stress-free. The old barriers to launching an online business are gone. AI now does the heavy lifting. Tasks that once took hours or days are now completed in moments, freeing you to focus on your ideas and your goals. With tools like Durable, anyone can create a stunning site and start earning online, even with zero experience. Whether you're a total beginner or just short on time, you can have a beautiful, functional website up and running in minutes. In this guide, I'll show you how to launch a website in under a minute and break down 4 proven ways to turn it into real income. You'll learn practical steps, see real examples, and discover how easy it is to get started. Whether you want a side hustle or a full business, the opportunity is massive and it's never been more accessible. People from all walks of life are building new careers and extra income streams, all from the comfort of home. Ready to see how simple it is to go from idea to live website in just 60 seconds? Let's dive in and unlock your new reality together. Meet Durable, your new partner in building a business online, designed to make launching your website easier than ever before. Think of Durable as your AI co-pilot, guiding you through every step of the website creation process, so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. Unlike traditional website builders that require hours of manual setup, Durable's smart AI simply asks for your business type and location, then instantly generates a multi-page, professional website tailored to your needs. It automatically writes compelling headlines, detailed service descriptions, and even selects the perfect colors and fonts to match your unique brand identity. No guesswork required. You'll get a fully structured homepage, about, services, and contact pages, plus the option to set up a custom domain for a truly professional look. With Durable, you're in control as the editor, tweaking and personalizing content, while the heavy lifting is handled for you. The AI takes care of the structure and content, so you can focus on adding your personal touch and launching your site with confidence. No design or coding skills? No problem at all. Durable is built for beginners and busy entrepreneurs alike. The AI foundation is already 90% complete for you, so you can go from idea to online in minutes, not days. That means you can spend less time worrying about your website and more time focusing on what matters. Finding clients, promoting your services, or creating amazing content. Durable removes the biggest hurdle for new businesses, getting started online quickly and easily without the stress. It's the fastest shortcut to a polished professional online presence, no experience required. Ready to see how simple it is? Let's walk through how Durable works step by step. Here's how to launch your site with Durable fast. Go to the Durable website and click Generate Your Website. No sign-up or credit card needed. Enter your business type and name. Be specific for better results. Click Generate. The AI builds your site in real time. In under a minute, you'll have a live, multi-page website homepage, about, services, contact, and more. Review the content and images. The AI tailors everything to your niche. Personalize, edit text, swap images, update colors, and add your real info. The interface is intuitive. If you can edit a social profile, you can do this. In minutes, you'll have a customized, professional website ready to share. No tech skills required. That's the power of AI. Now, let's turn your new skill into real cash by building websites for local businesses in your community. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning, and it's a win-win. You help local entrepreneurs grow, and you get paid for your expertise. Think of all the small businesses in your area: cafes, salons, repair shops, and more. Many have outdated websites, or worse, no online presence at all. In today's digital world, that's a huge missed opportunity. Without a modern website, these businesses are losing customers every day. People search online first, and if they can't find a business, they'll go elsewhere. That's where you come in. Offer to build a clean, professional site for a flat fee, typically between $500 and $1,500, depending on the business's needs. This is affordable for most small businesses and a great value for your time. With Durable, you can create a beautiful, functional site in just minutes. Then, customize it with the client's branding, photos, and unique story to make it truly theirs. Don't stop at the initial build. Upsell a monthly retainer, usually $50 to $150, for ongoing updates, hosting, and support. This is almost pure profit and gives your clients peace of mind. For example, approach a local landscaper, show them a demo site tailored to their business, and offer a $750 package that includes setup and a few months of support. Gather their business details, logo, and photos. Personalize the site, add testimonials, and deliver a finished product that makes them stand out online. Just 2 clients a month can mean $1,500 in extra income, plus recurring revenue from retainers. As you build your reputation, referrals will start rolling in. To find clients, search Google Maps for local businesses with no website or outdated designs. Make a list and reach out directly. Pitch with a free demo. I created a modern website for you. Take a look. No strings attached. This shows your value instantly and builds trust. When clients see the finished product up front, selling becomes much easier. They can visualize the benefits right away. The demand is huge, and with tools like Durable, you can deliver high-quality sites faster than anyone else in your area. This is a simple, high-demand business model. Start with your neighborhood, build your portfolio, and scale up as you gain experience. The opportunity is right outside your door. Prefer working solo? Build niche affiliate marketing sites. Pick a topic you love: coffee gear, eco-cleaning, hiking with dogs, and use Durable to launch a site in minutes. Write helpful articles and reviews, adding affiliate links to products. When readers buy through your links, you earn commissions of 3% to 10% or more. It's passive income, write once, earn for months as people find your site. Example: launch homegymhacks.com, review fitness gear, and link to Amazon. A few hundred clicks a day can mean $500 to $2,000 plus per month. Key: pick the right niche and create genuinely helpful content. With Durable, you can test multiple niches quickly, no weeks wasted on setup. Want to sell your own skills? Use Durable to launch your service business site. Whether you're a writer, VA, designer, or coach, Durable generates a site tailored to your services, complete with sections like My Services and Book a Consultation. Personalize your packages, headshot, and story. Now you have a professional hub to send clients from LinkedIn, Facebook, or Upwork. Even one client at $400 per month is solid side income. A few clients can mean $1,200 plus monthly. Your site becomes your digital business card and sales pitch. Durable lets you focus on landing clients, not building websites. Get online, get noticed, and start earning. Ready for a scalable play? Sell pre-made website templates built with Durable. Pick a niche: dentists, yoga instructors, and realtors, and create a polished template. List it on Etsy or your own site for $199 to $299. When someone buys, just swap in their details and transfer the site. No rebuilding. Sell the same template over and over for nearly passive income. 5 sales a month, Mazi $1,000. Top sellers make $4,000 plus monthly. Focus on in-demand niches and high-quality design. This model combines AI speed with digital product scale. To stand out and get found, add a few finishing touches. Do basic SEO, update your site's title and meta description with your service and location. Add real testimonials, reach out to past clients, or offer a discount for reviews. Connect your social media profiles for trust and engagement. Customize colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Upload your logo and swap out generic photos for ones that fit your niche. These tweaks take minutes but make your site memorable and trustworthy. With AI and a personal touch, your website becomes a true business asset.